Here's our Squishmallows FIFA World Cup 2026. Ito si Boily. And cute ni Benny, no? Cute naman ni Debra. Hello immigrants, and today we're going to unbox a product from McDonald's. No further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, we have the new Happy Meal toys. It's the June 2026. It's the FIFA World Cup 2026 original Squishmallows. So let's get started. Here's our Squishmallows FIFA World Cup 2026, the collaboration from McDonald's. And you need to collect 12 of them. Yes guys, 12 silang kabilo. Ang rami nila, no? So, ito na sila guys. Squishmallows na naman! Sana na toys na lang ninyo or figurine. Wala naman tayo magagawa. So, let's go. So, we have Boily. Boily? Boily. So, inside, we have... Ito lang talaga. Ito lang siya. Hello. Di ba may yung Squishmallows, mayroon malalaki nito. Napakamahal lang. So, ito si Boily. And then, you can scan to score. You can scan the QR code for you to play the game. Ito yung box niya, guys. Yan sila lahat. 12. Pero alam nyo, sa ibang bansa, ano sa 23 sila. Grabe naman nun. Sino magkakulat ng 23? Ang rami nun. Ako siguro, oo. Pero, syempre, masakit talaga sa bulsa. Here's Boily. Ano siya? Bat. Yung color niya, ang color combination niya, parang si ano, yung sa Pokemon. Next, we have Benny. Cute ni Benny, no? Number 11. Siya ay number 11. Sana mayroon number 12. Walang 22. Hanggang 12 lang siya. Next, we have Debra. Cute naman ni Debra. Next, we have Dolan. Si Dolan. Kit ni Dolan. Nakit naman silang lahat. Number 12. Next. Here's Gordon. Cute ni Gordon, ano? Shark si Gordon. Next, Cam. Ito siya. Cute naman ni Cam. Ayan siya. Next, we have Olma. Cutie. It's Olma. Olma. Number 2. Next, we have Winnie. Cute naman ni Winnie. Cute siya dito sa jersey na niya. Next is Barella. Next, Lindsay. Here's Lindsay. Next, we have Naya. NYA yung Naya niya, guys. Here's Naya. Here's Naya. Ayan. Ayan. And lastly, Maui. Maui. Here's si Maui, guys. He's a pineapple. Kaya pala Maui. Ayan siya. Here's Maui. Ayan. Kompleto na silang 12. Wait. So here's the 12 Squishmallows to be collected this June 2026. And actually guys, mag-e-end na yung month for the June. I think maglalabas din sila for the month of July. Pero hanggang July 14 yata yung pagko-collect ng Squishmallow FIFA World Cup 2026. And yes guys, thank you very much for watching and see you on my next unboxing. Adios, Mimigos. Peace out. Bye!